Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to blur background in Slack. You can blur background during your Slack video calls, enhance privacy and minimize distraction for yourself and others on the call. Here's how you can do it. You can initiate or join a video call. There in the call menu, access your video. Then go to the setting or more action option. Then this type of interface will appear in the screen. There you can see video background option. Click on video background. Then you can see blur option. Click on blur or select blur background. Then your background will be blurred. This is how you can blur your background in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.